In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage grouped security updates on GitHub. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, keeping your project secure is crucial. Thankfully, GitHub provides a user-friendly way to do this. So let's dive right in and ensure your code is up to date and secure. First, we need to access your GitHub dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and log into your GitHub account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll notice a small icon that represents your profile. Click on this profile icon. This brings up a drop-down menu featuring several options. Among these, you should spot Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings to continue to the next step. With the Settings page open, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side of the screen. What we're interested in is labeled Code Security. Scan down the list until you find it, then click on Code Security. This section is essential for managing aspects of your project's security, and this is where we'll focus our attention today. Once in the Code Security section, scroll down the page until you come across a heading that says Grouped Security Updates. This feature is quite impactful and should not be overlooked. What you're actually doing here involves how GitHub handles updates related to security alerts flagged by Dependabote, which is GitHub's automated security tool. On the right-hand side of the Grouped Security Updates section, you'll notice two options: Disable All and Enable All. By clicking Enable All, you allow GitHub to group all available updates that specifically address a Dependabote alert into a single pull request, neatly organized per package manager and directory of requirement manifests. This makes managing updates much easier, as you'll deal with fewer pull requests while ensuring your project files stay up to date and secure. Conversely, if you click Disable All, you'll opt out of this consolidated update approach, and you'll receive updates as individual alerts need addressing. This method gives you more granular control, especially if you prefer examining each alert individually. It's worth noting that these grouped updates can be further tailored by using group rules, which you can specify in a configuration file named dependabote.yml. This allows for even more customization based on your unique project requirements. There you have it. By following these steps, you've taken a significant stride towards enhanced security management in your GitHub projects. Regular maintenance like this is important, keeping your projects both functional and secure. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next video where we'll cover more tips to optimize